Another video for you. Outro video para ti hoy. Bad sector hard disk. Repair your hard drive long enough to recover data. You have Microsoft Windows XP on your computer. It will start. Then you open a desktop and all icons appear on screen but can't open any programs. You have hard rebooted 15 to 20 times. Same thing every time. Is your hard drive corrupt, you ask? Sometimes it will start to open then locks up. Last time you ran System Mechanics several days ago, it found numerous hard drive errors. It fixed them and your system seemed to be okay. That computer is going on 6 years old. Maybe it is time to replace it or retire it. You were going to use your recovery disk, but you don't want to erase that drive and start over. Also, you tried booting from a System Mechanic disk to run Drive Doctor, but it won't let you select what drive to examine. A cursor only moves left to right, not up or down to make a selection. After trying that, it leaves you to believe you might have a virus, Trojan horse, or some form of malware. Have you tried booting into any safe mode options? Usually bad sectors is an indication of a failing hard drive or operating system. Power on that computer and immediately start tapping an F8 key until an advanced boot option menu opens. Please select safe mode with command prompt. Type in check disk /F/R without quotes into that command prompt. When you are prompted with a volume is in use message, type Y or yes. A check disk scan will be scheduled. Reboot that computer and a check disk scan should begin. I would highly recommend getting a new hard drive. You can try running a SFC /scan now scan. That might fix your problem of not being able to run a check disk. A check disk scan with /R variable looks for bad sector. Sometimes you cannot run a check disk, and then if you run SFC scan, which is a system file check, that fixes your Windows operating system enough so that you can then run a check disk. And sometimes you have to run system file check scan 3 times, and sometimes it's a good idea to try to run check disk scans multiple times. And definitely if you've run a hard drive utility that has detected bad sectors, then running a check disk scan with the R variable so that it will look for bad sectors. Generally, when a hard drive has bad sectors, it's usually that your hard drive is failing, but not always. You could certainly clone your hard drive and then run SFC check disk and then clone it, and then you could wipe your old hard drive or run some further diagnostics to find out whether or not it really is a faulty hard drive or not. You can always browse to anetcomputers.com for other possible potential tips, information, and tricks to help you solve your most common computer problems. Thank you for listening. Adios.